game to the next level? Look no further than reviewsindividual.com, where you'll find an extensive collection of top-tier kicks from the hottest brands in the game. Let's talk discounts, shall we? Throughout the entire month of May, you can snag a jaw-dropping 12% off on all orders using the code RSMAY. And that's not all. For those of you with a keen eye for savings, orders over $220 automatically qualify for an incredible 16% discount at checkout. But wait, there's more. Enter the code TBP during checkout and unlock an exclusive 15% off your purchase. It's like Christmas came early for sneaker enthusiasts. And here's the cherry on top, free shipping on all orders. Connect with us on WhatsApp at +1 518 606 5329 or join our Discord server for an exclusive 25% off discount code. We're not just offering sneakers, we're offering an experience. But don't just take our word for it, hear from our thrilled customers who have experienced the joy of unboxing their fresh kicks from reviewsindividual.com. From Air Jordan to Yeezy, from Nikes to Gucci's, we've got something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of sneaker culture with reviewsindividual.com and elevate your style game today. Subscribe to the Business Promote channel and include the link to reviewsindividual.com in the video description for viewers to easily access. Viewers excited to explore the world of premium sneakers at reviewsindividual.com.